Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today, MTVA Incorporated just filed a current report with an update on a key clinical trial, and I am seeing an interesting signal about their drug development progress. Quick note, this is not financial advice, just my take on public filings for educational purposes. The company announced a significant milestone with their obesity drug candidate, and it looks like they are on track for important data later this year. This filing is a Form 8K, which companies use to announce major events that shareholders should know about right away. It is like a news flash from the company to the public. The big news here comes from the 9th of July 2026. That's the date the company is reporting. This section is about making sure everyone gets important information at the same time. It's called Regulation FD, and it basically means companies can't tell one person something important before they tell everyone else. So, what is the news? MetaVia Inc, which well called the company, put out a press release. The main point is about their drug called DAYA-1726, which they are testing to treat obesity. It's in a phase 1 clinical trial, which is usually one of the first steps to see if a drug is safe and how it works in people. The really good news is that all the patients who are actively in part 3 of this trial have finished the step where doctors figure out the right dose for them. Now these patients are getting the highest doses they plan to test. Even more importantly, the company expects to release the main results, or top-line data, from this phase 1 trial in the fourth quarter of 2026. This is a big step because it means they are progressing towards understanding how well the drug might work. This part just adds a little more detail about what is happening. It's kind of like a summary of the key event. Again, the company is giving an update on that same clinical trial. They are confirming that the patients in part 3 of their phase 1 trial for DAYA-1726, the obesity drug, have finished the dose titration. This means they've found the right starting dose and are now moving up to the highest planned doses, which are 48 milligrams and 64 milligrams in the different groups of patients they are studying. They are sticking to their plan to share the results from this part of the trial in the last 3 months of 2026. This is the crucial part where investors and doctors will get a better picture of the drug's potential. For context, MetaVia Inc has common stock that trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker MTVA. This is the kind of stock that most regular investors buy and sell. Looking at what has happened recently, in October last year, the stock price was trading around $1.78. Comparing that to its 52-week high of over $19, that is a massive drop. They had a huge surge in May, jumping almost 46% after some news at the American Diabetes Association conference, but then they fell again later in May. This shows a lot of volatility, which is common for smaller biotech companies. The company's common stock is registered on the Nasdaq stock market, which is where it is traded. This means it's a publicly traded company that has to follow strict rules. This just reconfirms that their common stock, called MTVA on the Nasdaq, is what's registered and traded. This part tells us what other documents are attached to this report. Essentially, it is like the appendix to the main news. The most important exhibit here is the press release itself, dated the 9th of July 2026. This is where all the detailed information about the trial update comes from. So, what is the big picture here? MetaVia Inc is developing a drug for obesity, and they've hit a key milestone in their first human trial. All patients are now on the highest intended doses, and the company expects to release important data soon. This is a positive step as it shows the drug is moving forward through its testing phases. However, the stock has seen wild swings, as we saw with that jump in May and subsequent fall. Biotech investing is always a gamble, and the success of this drug hinges on the upcoming data. Investors will be watching closely to see if DAYA-1726 eventually proves to be safe and effective. The risk I am watching is that phase 1 trials, while important, are still very early. Many drugs that look promising in early stages fail later on. What I'm actually looking for is the data readout in the fourth quarter to see if there are any truly compelling signs of efficacy and a clean safety profile. The research tools I actually use are linked in the description. They help keep this channel going. That is my take. Stay decoded. If this analysis was valuable, hitting that like button really helps, and subscribe for more deep dives. Don't forget to check out the Discord in the description.